Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: headset charged, firmware current, and Wi-Fi steady. Once done, open your headset store or mobile app and update YouTube and the VR runtime. This prevents compatibility issues. Make sure you grant motion and location permissions so the app can track orientation and content region. If you use a phone as a controller, pair it now through the headset's quick pairing flow. This initial setup gets you into the environment swiftly and reduces interruptions when you switch to VR playback. You now open the YouTube app and locate a 360 or VR-enabled video. These are required for full immersion. Once the video loads, tap the headset icon or use the cast/remote menu to select Enter VR or Cardboard mode, depending on your headset. Make sure to set video quality to a higher resolution, like 4K if your device supports it, and check IPD or lens spacing so the image is comfortable. Also enable spatial audio and subtitles if needed. These settings improve immersion and access. You finish by securing the headset fit and recalibrating the orientation so the video centers correctly when you look around. Use your controller or phone remote to navigate chapters, captions, or casting controls. If playback stutters or lags, make sure to lower resolution, close background apps, or switch to a wired link if supported. If problems persist, reboot the headset. If you don't see an Enter VR icon, update both YouTube and your VR runtime. Confirm the video is VR tagged, and then retry. That usually fixes missing options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.